That's Governor Schaefer. This is a documentary I was making about Baltimore from 2006 to 2022. I got the Weaver Award, all right? And we weaving a better Baltimore. We weaving a better Baltimore. So Governor Schaefer and me was friends. We're going to follow the money. Governor Schaefer was a controller. That's the controller now, Peter Francott. I need a federal and state audit on Shorty's underground rib shack. I was using my store to make a movie. The movie was about Baltimore. Baltimore. Rewired. David Simon banned me from posting on his page. David Simon on Twitter. Well, David Simon, this is Baltimore Rewired. I don't have to change nobody's name. Social media for social changes. When I say Peter Francott, I can say Peter Francott. I got him on film. That's Shorty's underground ribs. All right? When the state participated in fraud. This is Baltimore County claims right here. I was arrested 2/7/2011 by Baltimore County Police by the order of Scott Shellenberger because I was making a movie. I've been making a movie about the judicial system. My truck and everything owned has been taken and destroyed, including the contents of the truck in my apartment at 1402 in my apartment in Lockwood. All photos can be obtained by the Baltimore County Police Department. All diagrams can be found in the Baltimore County Police Department. Contact Chief Johnson, Baltimore County Police Department, 700 East Joppa Road. That's the case number right there. 08. All right. Trial date was 5/8/2012. They have all the information required. Everything is gone. 6 years. All right. The truck was worth $5,000. The contents of the vehicle was worth $249,995,000. The state of Maryland owe me. Ain't no logins making a movie. I'm not Jesse Smollett. I'm Shorty. I was making a movie about the Democratic Party. That's President Biden and the Department of Justice. Shorty, pull your mask up? No. Shorty, stop shitting on me. All right? I'm putting toilets all over the city again. The world is watching. I'm giving something to see. I got plenty of toilets for my freedom. That's Delegate Stephanie Smith. Delegate Stephanie Smith has been sitting on this evidence since, you see the date, the first of the year before the session started. I gave this to Stephanie Smith. She won't return it and she won't act on the information. If you got knowledge of criminal behavior, you're a lawyer, you're a barrister, you're supposed to act on that information. You're not supposed to conceal it. You got 52 members of the Democratic Party can go to jail. If Blagojevich can go to jail for selling seats, y'all can go to jail for selling black people into slavery. That's President Obama. He asked for an investigation. That's Eric Barron, the Department of Justice. Everything that Eric Barron got, Stephanie Smith got. City, county, state, and federal levels. My president, President Biden, Peter Francott. I need a federal and state audit. I'm out $260,000 a year for the last 11 years. That was made in 2015. I've been waiting for audit since 2008. That's the Maryland Insurance Company. I was insured when I did this. And Al Redmer got my transcripts. Like I said, we weaving a better Baltimore. That's Al Redmer. That's the IRS. That's Baltimore City courts. I need a jury trial. That's Dwayne. Let me do it like this. That's Dwayne G. Davis. All right. Shortman at Gmail. That's my phone number. Intellectual property, movie material, film, contract, movie releases, letters design. I was insured when Insurance Incorporated. Bonnie Harrison, Park Avenue. You feel me? I was insured. That's an insurance claim. Property, casualty, and complaints. Jaquish Nuray Davis, Insurance Incorporated. Bonnie Harrison. Bonnie Harrison was married to... Bonnie Harrison, I did parties at her house. We're going to show you the money. The money in Baltimore. I completely filed a proper complaint and I've completely filed a proper complaint. That's 2008. It's very complicated. My complaint was filed in 2008 and never acted upon. Instead, I was incarcerated and labeled a terrorist. 2/24/2006, 3 months after signing the policy insurance for against terrorist acts. I spoke directly to Al Redmer and gave him a verbal account. All right? That's the case right there in Illinois. I was in Illinois. I was locked up in another state, so Jake couldn't be on my property. Jake was fired in November of 2007. Jake, Davis, Duran Battle, they didn't have no right to be on that property. Jake Davis assumed my identity. That's identity theft, credit card fraud. Like I said, Dwayne Shorty Davis, I filed this in 2018. 37 pages, United States Constitution, scroll, certified mail receipts, forged checks, public involvement, notified by certified mail. All right. We had a conversation concerning this early at the voting event. My policy was fully paid. Shellenberger used his office to shield the corruption and insurance violations the state of Maryland accepted forged checks. That's the case right there. Judge Souter, received 2011. June 2nd, 2011. June 2nd, 2011. See that? That's February 2nd, 2011, received at the States Attorney's Office. That's States Attorney Marilyn Mosby. Greg Bernstein had this. Marilyn Mosby got this. I was on parole. And we're going to take parole and probation and get all my information. You locked me up to keep me from exposing the corruption in Baltimore City and Baltimore County. You charged me with a bomb threat. Commode motion. This is to prove I was making a movie about racism in the judicial system. Commode motion. This toilet is a political statement, a freedom of speech. You got to release all the material to the voters. Governor Hogan, Theroux, Ivan Bates, Warren Brown, Dwight Pettit, J. Wendell Gordon. Yeah, Malcolm Ruff. I was making a movie about the Democratic Party, and this is parole and probation. I'm getting ready to cook you up in 2022. You had this since 2011. Marilyn Mosby been shielding this. Sheila Dixon been shielding this. The Baltimore docs ain't opened his mouth about this. You feel me? I've been on stage, but y'all won't let me speak. Commissioner Harris kidnapped this little black boy in Anne Arundel County, and y'all gave him a slap on the wrist and said it's okay. Scott Shellenberger kidnapped me. It's not okay. I'm a free black man. I own Shorties. Corey McCray ain't opened his mouth. That's David Robinson. That's Tim Fuentes. And that's Baynard Woods. That's Governor Ehrlich. Like I said, I'm weaving a better Baltimore. I'm the 2021 Weaver Award winner. So I put it all in a book. Baltimore Rewired, the money behind the machine. So Peter Francott, you got mail. I'm getting ready to send this to Peter Francott today. Shorty, pull your mask up. And we're going to talk about this. I'm not Jesse Smollett. I'm Shorty. I'm not Jesse Smollett. I'm Shorty. I'm Shorty. TMZ.com, 92Q. I'm Shorty. I'm a real person. That's Scott Shellenberger. At 2 p.m., I was kidnapped. 2/11/2011 from 1402 Lockland. I blew the whistle on y'all on February the 2nd, the day my mother died. You feel me? That's Annie Chambers. That's Harriet Tubman. I applied for Martin Luther King's job, and I'm sitting on his porch. That's me in Atlanta. Like I said, I was kidnapped by the state. I filed this last year. February the 2nd, 2000. I blew the whistle on Governor O'Malley and 52 members of his mob machine. Get Shorty. The movie was Get Shorty. And you got Shorty. Baltimore Rewired. We weaving a better Baltimore. I put it in a book. Homelessness and mass incarceration. That's me, Dwayne G. Davis. I'm the white guy. I'm the right guy. Moses parted the Red Sea, Shorty parted some rednecks. I'm asking to give up my citizenship because we treated as property. We came here for over 400 years and we still treated as property. You killing us indiscriminately. You denying us our rights of the Constitution. Blacks have no rights in which white America respects. Ask him. All right? That's the Baltimore Arts and Promotions. Like I said, I was making a movie. That's Rob Fix, a Rob Fix production. That's Mayor Pugh, and that's Governor Mayor O'Malley. Get Shorty. See that? Get Shorty. And that's the Shorty you got. We're talking about racism in Baltimore County. Racism don't work without black cooperation. Julian Jones, the Baltimore County, man. Baltimore City's under the dissent decree. Baltimore County ain't. That means that you're going to have a federal investigation in the Baltimore County. Because President Obama asked for an investigation. President Biden and the Department of Justice got that. All right? I want a federal and state audit. Got 52 members of the Democratic Party can go to jail. Y'all gonna snitch or go to jail. Because we're going to talk about the play-to-play political machine that y'all got in Baltimore County. Yeah. We're going to play the whole hour-and-a-half interview with Adam May and me at Spring Grove Medical Hospital. You feel me? The whole hour and a half. That's Baltimore County. That's when I was kidnapped. That's the date. That's the truck you took. And that's the judge out in the appellate division in Annapolis. These are the people that know about it. That's John Cardins. That's Brian Frosch was there. That's Kevin Bilal was there. Dent was there. Yeah, you see the people in the picture? That's the NAACP. Benjamin Jealous, Kobe Little. Yeah, Benjamin Jealous, Kobe Little, Tessa. That's Governor Glendenning. That's D'Souza. And that's Tim Tennyson from WBAL. Jane Miller, Barry Sims, Pam Woods. The media knew all about this. I was shitting on them too. I'm a whistleblower. And that's Mr. Hardin's. All right? That's Department of Justice. Hardin's. 36 Charles Street. You feel me? I was making a movie. I'm a whistleblower. And I did that on February the 2nd. I ain't sitting on the porch. But that's Martin's home. And I won his job.